is the start of our new journey. Maray na aldaw sa inyong gabos, or should I say, good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Jasmine Ann Torres, 18, representing my team, Team 5. And I do believe in the saying, if you want to respect the people around you, learn on how to respect yourself first. At lagi po natin pakakatandaan na hindi po natin makukuha ang respect ang hinihiling natin sa iba, kundi natin kay ibang hindi natin kundi natin kayang ibigay ang respetong hinihingi nila. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.